Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, December 29th. I was not looking for a dramatic move on Monday. We didn't get that. We broke earlier, but we see a market that did firm up by the end of the session. I'm looking for follow through in today's action, but not a big move to the upside when it comes to the NASDAQ market. I think Asia is going to be key, and right now we're seeing what's happening in Asia, and I'm looking for follow through from that session. When it comes to the currencies, well, if we look at the euro, it made new highs, but it's struggling up here. I don't look for strong follow through in this market, but rather a sideways type move. In the British pound, just to give you that background again, the market did trade above its bullish level, and the difference between that bearish and bullish level is $1,187.50 per contract. Over here in the Canadian dollar, it also traded above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $2,600 per contract. I'm looking for a sideways to slightly higher move for both of these currencies. The euro, the 10-year notes actually got a little firmer as it rallied back up. Makes sense in terms of what happened with the stock market. I'm looking for a down day in that market. Also, the bond market, the 30-year bond market, did trade above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and the bullish level in that market is $372.50 per contract. Although it's strong right now in Asia, I do not look for follow through. In the gold market, we are looking for an unchanged type day, and that's basically what it gave us, a sideways move if you look at that action here. And I'm looking for more of the same in today's action and for Tuesday. You know, we're looking at a market that wants to go higher. I just don't think the buyers are there to support that. But in the silver market, the market did trade, silver did trade below its bearish level. The bullish level is right down here. That difference is $1,900 per contract. And over here in copper, we traded between its bearish and bullish levels here. Came right back up. That's 1 penny or $250 a contract, to give you a feel for that magnitude change. Now, we found some sellers when it comes to crude oil. I think that makes sense, and I'm looking for further movement to the downside. It's a little firmer right now in Asia. I do not look for a stronger crude oil market. Natural gas, we have to be careful of in terms of where it's getting to, but as we talked about in the advanced video, there are some positive fundamental factors there. And in the soybean market, an equal and opposite is setting up here. I look for an update today in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.